In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Excel to Vcard converter. Okay, here is the software. You have to extract the software to this very folder. Just right click on the software and then hit on extract here. Once extracted, you open this very folder. Here's the file, you double click on it. It's an offline installation software, so you make sure you turn off your internet and your Windows Defender. You can find how to do all that in my previous video. Okay, just click yes, then and next, accept, next, 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 and then install. Right, close this, and once the installation is successful, you just click on finish, and then this will pop up and you click on this continue demo. Close this. All right, yes, and then open this keygen. Okay, then right click on this and extract here as well. All right, you copy the keygen, then go to your desktop. Let me enable my desktop now. Okay, this is the software we just installed. You can see it on the desktop, so you right click on the software we just installed and select open file location. Then you have to paste the file you just copied. You paste it here, which is the keygen, then click on continue. Alright, we have just pasted. Now next you want to right click on the file we just pasted and then run as administrator. Okay, you click yes, and then next you want to select the name of the software. Okay, Excel to Vcard converter. Then you press enter and then click on this patch DB. Successful. Then press OK and then click on generate license. All right, so this is now successful. You now have the full version of this particular software. All right, let's go and check it out. Now you click on this, click yes, now you can see we have the full version of this very software, and that is how you can actually install this software. You can find the link in the description below this video if you want to download a copy of the software. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.